Hello, everybody. All right, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to factor quadratics by grouping. All right, let's look at this first example. It says 3x squared minus x minus 4. First thing you're going to do is multiply your first and last term, which in this case gives me negative 12. And then, just like we do in class, you're going to find two numbers that work. So, what multiplies to give you negative 12? But when you add the same two numbers, they equal the middle number, which is negative 1. Yep. The two numbers that work are negative 4 and 3. All right, now, since you have the two numbers that work, what you're going to do is write your first term in the actual problem, which is that 3x squared. Then you're going to write the first number that you found when you found your two numbers that work, which is negative 4, but you're going to put an x behind it. And then you're going to also put the 3 with the x behind it. And the reason why it says plus 3 because it was a positive 3. And then whatever your last number was in the original problem, at the end. Then you're going to group your terms that have a GCF together. So what I mean by that is, look at the first two terms I wrote. I have 3x squared minus 4x. They don't really have a GCF besides 1 and x. But if you look at 3x squared and 3x, they have a lot more in common. So I'm going to group them together. And then if you look at negative 4x and negative 4, they have something in common as well. So I'm going to group them together. All right, now I'm going to factor out my GCF. The GCF between 3x squared and 3x is going to be 3x. And when I divide 3x into each term, I'll get x, and 3x divided by 3x is plus 1. All right, now I'm going to find my GCF between negative 4x and negative 4, which is negative 4. And then I'm going to divide that into each term. And when I do that, I'm left with x plus 1. Then looking at my answers that I have so far, I'm going to say, what is my common factor? It is x plus 1. So I'll take out my x plus 1 in front. And when I take them out, I'm left with 3x minus 4. And that's it.